Hi, thank you for watching this video. So today I'm doing is silk press, but I'm also trying new products and new tools. So I started with washing my hair off camera using the Ottawa clarifying gel shampoo. I just wanted to make sure my hair didn't have any buildup and it was super clean, okay? And then I used the Amica Hydro Rush mask, and when I tell you these two products together just makes my hair feel like butter. I love them. So since I plan on blow drying my hair more often, I just figured it would be worth getting the pattern blow dryer. Seriously, I wish I got it during the Sephora sale with the 20% off. It would have helped, but you know, it is what it is. It does come with 4 attachments, but the brush attachment was actually the one I was curious about. So I started with parting my hair in small sections just to make it easier, and then I sprayed the Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat. Now this is supposed to help with frizz. It also protects your hair for up to 380 fine height. Now this was my first time trying it, but I did try the regular in the past and it didn't do much, so I'll keep you posted for this one. I'm also trying for the first time the Amica Wizard Detangling Hair Primer. This is also a heat protector for up to 450 fine height, and this helps with detangling and frizz. So the two products are very lightweight, non-greasy. My hair didn't feel heavy, but I always make sure I focus on my roots, just because if ever I'm sweating or it's humid, my roots will revert. So once my hair is detangled, I then started with the blow dryer on cool and then eventually switched to high heat, just so it's easier for me to blow dry my hair. And then I made sure I go over the roots so they're stretched as well. So I really like the brush attachment. It makes it easier for me just to blow dry my hair. So basically I don't have to hold a brush plus a dryer at the same time. And I didn't have any issues with the attachment coming out. It's pretty secure. So if you want to dry your hair and detangle at the same time, I think it's a great attachment. But if you want your hair to be straighter, you can probably use the concentration nozzle. What I would do is use the other attachments and then keep you posted. And then once I was done blow drying all my hair, I just went over it again just to make sure I didn't miss the roots. So I recently noticed this, but over time I've been cutting one side of my hair more than the other. I seriously have no idea how this happened, but this is why it's so uneven. Oh well. So to straighten my hair, I used the She Tourmaline flat iron on 400, but it goes up to 425. Now take your time with this process. Small sections are the way to go, and one pass is enough. So I'm also using a brush that I got from Amazon, which is a lifesaver. I can do the chase method without burning my fingers, and then off camera I cut off all the split ends. So the whole process, so blow drying and straightening, took me roughly 2 hours to complete, which I think is pretty good. And I'm really happy with the end result. I'm just hoping it's going to last me a while, and I'll share an update whenever I wash my hair. So to add more shine to my hair, I'm using the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Hair Oil. So it helps with shine, frizz reduction, heat protection. I had a tiny little sample that I got from Sephora, and I used 2 drops. It was just enough, and I really like it because it is super lightweight. So that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and let me know down below in the comments if you use any of these products and if they work for you. I'm really curious. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.